Apple users love family sharing for Apple Music. But what if it doesn't work, or you want to share with friends outside your group? This video shows how to share Apple Music without family sharing and fix common issues. Part 1. Can I share Apple Music with a friend not family sharing? Share Apple Music. iPhone or iPad. Settings Profile Family Add. Mac. Apple Menu System Preferences Family Add. Share without family sharing. Use alternatives. Fix issues. Check Apple ID and enable Apple Music. Part 2. How to share Apple Music without family sharing. Apple Music songs are DOM protected, limiting sharing. Use an Apple Music converter like Audfree, Drawy, or Sidify to convert tracks to MP3, WAV, or other formats for easy sharing. These tools are mostly paid and offer various features. Part 3. How to transfer music from iPhone to iPhone directly. Want to share Apple Music more freely? The family plan is limited, but iOS Transfer is a great solution. It transfers music and other data between iPhone and Android, making sharing easy and seamless. How to transfer music from iPhone to iPhone using iOS Transfer. Step 1. Install ACSoft iPhone to iPhone Music Transfer. Then connect both iPhones to your computer. Step 2. In the Music section, select the songs you want to transfer. Step 3. Click the phone icon, choose the target iPhone, and transfer the music.